Hello and welcome to this 5-minute beginner's meditation brought to you by the Silver Balance Academy. Make sure that you've found a place where you won't be disturbed. Position yourself in the most comfortable way possible. You don't have to be sitting upright. You can even prop yourself up on your bed with a few pillows. Gently place your hands at the bottom of your stomach or carefully place them on your lap. When possible, I also like to use headphones as they really help me to concentrate better. It's important to understand that meditation is not about removing all of your thoughts. Your mind may wander, and if it does, just bring your concentration back to my voice, the music, and back to your breathing. So if you're ready, we can begin with you just gently closing your eyes and taking a nice, long, deep breath. In through your nose and out through your nose with a really long exhalation. And as you exhale each time, feel your body slowly sinking, your shoulders relaxing. Focus on that breath. Try and breathe in nice and deeply right into the bottom of your stomach. Focus on the rush of the cool air filtering in through your nose and then out again, rushing over your upper lip. I'm just going to leave you alone for 30 seconds or so that you can try and practice concentrating unassisted. Okay, so we're just now going to do some rhythmic counting and diaphragmic breathing exercises just to re-regulate our breathing and deepen our concentration just that little bit further. We're going to breathe in for the count of 4, hold at the bottom of our stomach for 4, and then slowly release for the count of 8. So let's breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more cycle, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to leave you alone now. to carry on for a few more cycles without assistance. And as we just come to the final minute, we're just now going to let your breathing return to normal, but still keep focusing on that breath, rushing in through your nose, filling up your belly, feeling your lungs expanding, and then slowly releasing out of your nose again. Feel the warm air rushing over your upper lip, and then slowly open your eyes. And well done, you managed to meditate for a full 5 minutes. That's not easy to do when you first start out. You can feel like you've accomplished something really important today. Each time you meditate, you should experience slightly different feelings and sensations during and after you practice. Remember that meditation is something that you improve at the more you practice it. It's really the same as eating healthily or exercising or even getting a good night's rest. It's something that's only really valuable if you practice it often. Regular meditation can really help you to reduce stress and anxiety. It can even help you to become a much calmer and less reactive person. If you'd like to see the effects of regular meditation, why not practice this video just once or twice daily for 5 minutes and see how you feel after practicing for just a few months. Once you've got used to sitting for 5 minutes, why not try one of our longer sessions? Or if you really enjoyed the video, click that replay button. Now that you've learned a lot more about meditating, I hope that you'll join us for some other sessions in the future. So don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and also make sure that you click the little bell icon, which will help you to get notifications every time we upload a new session. Thanks again for listening, and I hope you'll join me again soon.